To properly transport your Polaris Snowmobile, follow these steps. Always ensure your trailer and tie-down straps are properly rated for your vehicle weight. Always follow all warnings and precautions listed by the manufacturers. Begin by performing a quick inspection of your trailer to ensure it is clean and free of any major debris. Always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. Next, safely drive your snowmobile onto the trailer. Do not transport the snowmobile in a reverse direction on the trailer. Turn the engine off and remove the key to prevent loss during transport. Then, set the parking brake and ensure the sled does not roll. Next, step off the sled and ensure the seat is properly secured. Also, ensure that the fuel cap is latched. Then, inspect the side panels to ensure the panel latches are engaged and that the panels are secure. Verify all accessories, if equipped, are properly secured. Beginning at the front, place the ski clamp over both skis and align the deck hook with the trailer channel. Then, adjust the clamp and hook as needed and secure the clamp. Next, secure the rear of the snowmobile to the trailer using either 2 tie-down straps on the rear bumper or a rear track clamp. Then, perform a final inspection to ensure all clamps and tie-downs are tight and secure. Finish by preparing your trailer for safe travel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.